fastest-selling Land Rover in our history, and the world's most versatile and capable compact premium SUV. Designed for life. Every inch a Land Rover. Discovery. 7 full-size seats, cavernous space, connected technologies. The definitive family SUV. And when the roads end, Discovery is unstoppable. On all surfaces, across all terrains, and in all weathers. Range Rover became the world's first luxury SUV in 1970. Since then, it has evolved into an iconic range of magnificent vehicles. Desirable and exclusive in equal measure, Britain's largest luxury export has been a byword for elegant sophistication and refinement for nearly half a century. Range Rover Velar is the most recent addition to this illustrious family. The first to debut our reductionist design philosophy is the epitome of understated elegance. A mid-sized luxury SUV that reinforces our total commitment to design and engineering excellence. Range Rover Sport. Extraordinary performance and cutting-edge technology in one exquisitely crafted vehicle. From the potent SVR to the efficient plug-in hybrid, the Range Rover Sport rises to any challenge. And Range Rover, the benchmark by which all others are judged. Peerless design, unsurpassed refinement, unquestionable capability. Quite simply, the most desirable luxury SUV the world has ever seen. The SV Coupe, a pure celebration of Range Rover's lineage. The first full-size luxury SUV coupe on the planet, and an exquisite demonstration of design, craftsmanship, and capability. What you see before you is a bloodline like no other. Tonight, we introduce the newest member of our family. A new Range Rover Evoque for a new generation. Created for a world where more than half the population lives in an urban environment, the new Evoque is designed for the city and beyond. Reductive design, innovative technologies, advanced hybrid electric power, sophisticated sustainable materials. Above all things, a true Range Rover. We're here in one of the greatest cities in the world to raise the bar once again. It's time for a new luxury city SUV. It's time for the new Range Rover Evoque. gentlemen, will you please welcome Land Rover Chief Design Officer, Jerry McGovern.
Hello, London. One of the greatest cities in the world. No? All right. The greatest city in the world. Yes? And hello to the new Range Rover Evoque. When we created the original Evoque in 2011, it stirred the emotions and captured the hearts of people all over the world. It went on to become the fastest selling Range Rover of all time. Since then, the world has changed significantly, and the new Evoque has been designed and engineered to retain its relevance with cutting-edge technology and technical innovation. When you look at the car, its Evoque DNA is unmistakable. The distinctive falling roof, the dramatic rising waistline, and that cheeky, characterful proportion. Look closer and you will see levels of refinement and sophistication thus far not seen on a luxury compact SUV. And while its exterior is a sophisticated evolution of the original, its interior design is nothing short of a revolution. Pursuing our strategy of reduction, the interior cabin is a tour de force with levels of luxury and refinement normally associated with our larger Range Rovers. The new Evoque, like all our vehicles, is engineered to the highest standards. It's very capable, it's great fun to drive, and it will put a smile on your face. So, ladies and gentlemen, the new Range Rover Evoque. Desirable, modern, from its distinctive exterior silhouette to the calm sanctuary of its interior environment. Thank you to my designers, to our engineers, and everybody involved with bringing this great vehicle to reality. A special thank you to my friend and our CEO, Dr. Professor Ralph Spett, or is it Professor Doctor? Anyway, he's the best, for his tireless energy and his constant support. And equally importantly, thank you all for being here to witness the launch of this very important vehicle, a vehicle that's become a fundamental part of our brand. There's one other thing. I'm told, calm down, I'm nearly finished. I'm out here. It's warmer in there. I'm told by good authority that the car is on sale from now and we are taking orders. So if you'd like to form an orderly queue somewhere up there and try not to fall down as you get up there, then you can place your order. Thank you.
There it is, the hotly anticipated new Range Rover Evoque revealed live here tonight in London, and Chief Design Officer Jerry McGovern there reminded us that order books are now open. Just take a look at it. It's modern, it's luxurious, it's packed with tech that's never been seen before. Plus it offers some beautiful, sustainable alternatives to leather. It even comes with a battery-powered mild hybrid system, so it'll offer a quiet and refined drive, making it the perfect SUV for the city. Now, not surprisingly, you have been sharing your excitement all across social media at seeing the new Evoque for the very first time. And here are some of your messages. Thank you so much for sharing them with us tonight. Just a couple here. Gary Robinson says, simply beautiful. William Sully says, love it, getting one. Alexander Wittig says, can't wait. And a proper international affair as well. Raphael Bond says, hello from Germany. Andy Hidalgo says, hello from Peru. Kamba Philippe says, bonjour de Belgique. Kalina Petkova says, hello Evoque from Bulgaria. We have hello Evoque from Cape Town, from Cairo, Egypt, from Rafi, and from Colombia and Ukraine. Thank you so much. That's just some of the reactions from all over the world from excited viewers. Now, for those that want to see a little bit more of the Range Rover Evoque, here is everything you need to know about the luxury compact SUV. Well, there is everything that you need to know about the brand new Range Rover Evoque. Now, as the guests here take in what they've seen, the excitement carries on for you at home at 8:30 p.m. London time, so just over 20 minutes. Head over to the Boiler Room's YouTube channel where we have an incredible live performance for you. Simply go to youtube.com/BRTV official. Don't miss it. Now, just in case you've missed any of the action from tonight's big reveal, here are just some of the highlights. Thank you so much for watching. Good night.